Hello everyone, I'm your host Jason, and in this video I'll be showing you how to get free Bitcoin. So if you have been searching for a way to get some free crypto token, you have stumbled across the right video. So be sure to stick around, and also while you're here, hit the like button and also subscribe as I release daily videos on how to make money online. The website that we'll be looking at is freebitco.in. And you can simply type in that website on whichever device you are using. And as you can see right here, there's a potential to win up to $200 in free Bitcoins. You can also multiply your Bitcoin, as you can see right here. Now let me scroll down so we can read some more about this website. And as you can see right here, they have over 50 million registered users, and the games played have been over 136 million, as you can see right here. And the Bitcoin one has been a lot, as you can see here. And if you're wondering if this is a new website, I will go on to SimilarWeb, which is a website that you can go on to look on statistics of a website and also when the website was created. freebitco.in has been around since 2013, as you can see right here, and they have between 11 to 50 employees. And thus far they have been ranked second in the gaming and lottery niche, and you can see here they get over 47 million monthly views, which is a lot. They are one of the top ranking websites when it comes on to making free Bitcoin. So let's go back to the website. You can simply make money by tapping on play now. As you can see here, free Bitcoins every hour. Try your luck every hour playing our simple game, and you could win up to $200 in free Bitcoin. And you can see also provable fair high-low game. Multiply your Bitcoins playing a simple high-low game that is designed to be provable fair by using a combination of math and cryptography. Win big high-low jackpot prizes up to 1 Bitcoin every time you play. And the main way how to earn Bitcoin with this website is by referral. As you can see here, the referral contest. So you'll simply join their referral program and bring your friends over to freebitco.in and rank in the top 10 by combining wagering volume of your referrals to win the contest and win up to 10,900 in Bitcoin every month. And you can see also you can earn interest on your Bitcoin. So if you have Bitcoin at the moment, you can deposit it on freebitco.in and you'll be able to get interest up to 4.08% annual interest on your Bitcoin. And they also do peer-to-peer events, and you can also see that they have a wagering contest. So there are numerous ways how you can make money using this website. You could also enter their free weekly lottery, and you can also win a Lamborghini, as you can see right here. And also when it comes on to their referral program, you will be able to get 50% of whatever the person that you refer wins, in addition to getting free lottery tickets every time they play for a lifetime. So their referral program is 50% lifetime commission. So if you are interested and looking for a way to get free Bitcoin or free crypto token overall, you should definitely visit this website. As you can see, numerous persons are visiting this website, so hopefully it's a good way to earn some free Bitcoin. If you found this video informative and would like to see other videos like this, as I said earlier, be sure to hit the like button and also subscribe as I release daily videos.